AI can build a flight plan in seconds. It can read faster than a human, compare routes faster than a human, and summarize pages of aviation information almost instantly. But when the weather changes, who takes responsibility? Who takes responsibility? Welcome to the flight dispatch room. And this is the aviation work most passengers never see. Today, we are asking a question that sounds simple, but is actually very serious. Will AI replace flight dispatchers, or will it become another tool inside the operations? What AI can do. And if you want to learn more about flight dispatch, check the video in the description below. Here is the honest answer. AI is already useful for learning, and we know AI is trending in every career. But aviation does not run on confident answers. It runs on approved data, current weather, official NOTAMs, company manuals, regulations, and people who are responsible for the decision. A dispatcher cannot simply say, "The AI sounded right." A pilot cannot simply say, "The chatbot looked confident." In aviation, the question is not only, did the answer sound smart? The question is, what approved source verified it? That is where people sometimes misunderstand AI. In aviation, speed is useful, but speed is not authority. A model might summarize the wrong document. It might miss that information has changed. It might explain an old procedure in a convincing way. It might give you a reasonable sounding answer without knowing your airline, your aircraft, your manual, your current weather package, or your legal environment. That does not make AI useless. It means AI has to stay in the correct lane. Confident is not the same as verified, and speed is not authority. Here is the clean way to think about it. Level 1. Study Assistant AI helps you understand terms, practice scenarios, prepare for interviews, and test your knowledge. Level 2. Decision Support AI helps organize information, compare options, draft summaries, and save time. But humans still verify every operational detail. Level 3. Operational Control. That is where live flight decisions live, and that belongs inside approved systems, current procedures, and human accountability. Comment which one matters more in aviation operations: AI speed or dispatcher judgment? AI speed or dispatcher judgment? Now imagine a fictional flight is ready to leave. AI suggests a route and summarizes the weather. At first, the output looks clean. Then storms start building near the destination. A dispatcher does not just accept the first answer because it arrived quickly. They check the current approved weather. They look at alternates. They review the fuel impact. They consider ATC flow, runway configuration, crew timing, company procedures, and what changed since the first plan was built. This is the real dispatcher mindset. The job is not just finding an answer. The job is making sure the answer still makes sense after the situation changes. AI can help collect, summarize, and organize. It can make the work faster. Quick test. If an AI tool gives you a route, what do you verify first? The weather source, the NOTAMs, the fuel impact, the company procedure, the alternate airport? The answer is not one magic button. The answer is a disciplined verification habit. In aviation, a good answer is not just fast. A good answer can be traced back to the right source. So, will AI replace flight dispatchers? Not in the way people imagine. AI will probably change the work. It may help dispatchers study faster, brief faster, compare options faster, and communicate more clearly. But the center of the operation still needs trained people who understand risk, responsibility, procedures, and the consequences of being wrong. If you want to practice responsible aviation AI prompts, download the Aviation Ops AI Prompt Pack in the description. Use it for study, interview practice, and workflow. Learning only, not live flight operations. Next, we will look at the flight release, the document that turns a plan into an approved operation. By the way, if you are planning to study flight dispatch, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching, not for live operations.